what's up? Welcome to my backyard. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. If you're familiar with my channel, you know I say that breakfast is the most important meals of the day, and you gotta have your coffee. Cheers, everybody. So for today's recipe, we're gonna be doing a country skillet on the Blackstone, and I'm gonna be giving it a little bit of Southwestern love. I'm gonna be adding an Anaheim pepper, or some call it a hatch pepper. Now the hatch peppers come out really good, they have good flavor, and they're not too spicy, but they can be hot, so be really careful. So no further ado, let's get down into this recipe. All right, so I got my Blackstone all nicely heated. We're gonna go ahead and lay down a little bit of olive oil. So we're gonna start off by cooking up some diced potatoes. We're gonna go ahead and season this with salt and pepper. This is white Himalayan salt. And of course, black pepper. Give that a mix. Okay, so I got a little bit of chopped garlic there. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to our potatoes. Now, there's nothing better than having fresh garlic and some diced potatoes. It brings out a really good flavor, and when it's nicely seasoned, the flavor really pops. Oh yeah, that garlic smell really coming through. Just hit me right in the face, all that garlic smell. It's gonna be really good. Now the potatoes is probably gonna be the longest cooking part of this dish because you don't want a raw potato. You get that nasty crunch. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of more olive oil to this, and I'm gonna cover it. So you wanna cook it for like about another 5 to 7 minutes, but you wanna make sure that your potato's done. Depending on the heat also is a factor. So keep that in mind, but just cover it. Like I said, add some olive oil to it and just cover it. Oh hey, don't forget your coffee. Cheers, everybody. Alright, so let's go ahead and check on our potatoes. They're starting to brown up on one side, so that's when you really want to take advantage and flip them. Now a little tip on cooking potatoes, you just want to let them do their thing. You don't want the temperature too high because then you'll end up burning the exterior and you might have that chance of having a raw inside. But, low or medium heat, just let them do their thing. Stir them every now and then, come back and check on them. Alright, so let's check back on our potatoes. It's been a couple minutes. Alright, so we're going to move these over to the side a little bit. So now we're gonna start our other ingredients that we're gonna be putting in this. I do have these burners on a little bit higher of a temp. They're about medium, a little over medium. So we're gonna just go ahead and migrate these potatoes over here to the right side. I'm telling you, that garlic smell is fantastic. All right, so for this portion, we're gonna be sauteing some onion, a red bell pepper, and that Anaheim pepper that I was telling you about. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit this with a little bit of salt and pepper. give it a mix. Just make sure that you move the onions around. You don't want them to burn on you. Now we are going to cook this to where the onions are translucent. Then we're going to move it over to the side. I have low heat over here on this side. And then I'm going to be putting down some sausage. And once that sausage is cooked, we're going to put it all together. Okay, so our onions and everything is looking good, so I'm going to be moving it over to the side. I have low heat on this side. It'll still continue to cook, but it won't be as bad. Alright, for the best part of this dish, some sausage. Alright, we're gonna just go ahead and check on our potatoes over here. They are looking really good. They got a nice golden brown color to them on a couple sides there. Like I said, just let these things do their thing. Low heat, low to medium heat. Comes out with some perfect potatoes. Now once this sausage is done, it's fairly easy from here. We're gonna just mix all that together, bring it over to the side, and then we're gonna heat up some fresh smoked ham that I picked up, and then we're gonna serve it with some eggs sunny side up. Okay, now that our pork's done, we're gonna just put everything together. And I got a little kicker for you guys right after this. So let's go ahead and mix all this stuff together. Now I did tell you I got a little kicker for this, so nothing better than cheese. We're gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of cheddar cheese right here on top. Let that cheese melt. Now I did turn off this side of the griddle. So I have some smoked cured ham that I'm gonna be putting on the Blackstone. This stuff is delicious. I love ham for breakfast. Alright, go ahead and do a flip. Okay, so now we're gonna make some eggs sunny side up and some toast. of this ham here. While those eggs are cooking, start plating this up. Add down a little bit of butter there. Add some artesian wheat bread right here that I'm gonna be putting down on our Blackstone. Go ahead and give that a nice toast. Now our eggs are almost done. So our egg is done. Beautiful sunny side. Alright, so we're gonna check our toasts. Getting there. Alright, so now our toast is done. Let's go ahead and take this off and go ahead and plate it. Well, there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about this recipe or anything else that you want to just say in general, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section. And while you're at it, hit that like button for me. Now y'all be beautiful. Peace.